Hey folks, Florida Trailblazer here, checking in at this beautiful spot here along the Hillsborough River here in Tampa, Florida, here at Hillsborough River State Park on this cool brisk morning here in Florida. Look at this. Let's get down by the river where these rapids are. It's beautiful. You can even see the steam or the vapor coming off the water there. Wow, what a scene. There's a trail from the parking area that takes you back to this beautiful spot. You can come check it out. Wow, it's pretty neat, this little trail here along the bank. You can walk this along, it looks like. Just came from that way. Look at the sun just coming through the trees right there. You can see the mist coming out the water. It's beautiful. Open blue skies. It's going to be a beautiful day here for hiking, folks. I'm glad to be able to check in here right now and put you in a moment. Ooh, check this. Okay, had to climb over that tree right there. Get right back here to this spot. And up there is the trail. You get these big trees just lining the river. I'll take you back up on the trail for a minute here. There we go. So there's the trail you can take a walk along the higher bluff here and look down the river, or you can go down there to the banks where I just was, get a closer view. Looks like if you walk further up, there's like an observation deck up here. We'll take a look at that real quick. So you can come right here and take in the beauty from this vantage point. Look at that over there. The mist rolling out the water around that center island as the water rushes through. Amazing.